Okay, so I'm here with an old student of Pope John Senior High and Minor Seminary. Okay, how did you find the content? How did you find the content?
It was very interesting. Very interesting. But sake of the noise, they won because of the noise that they were doing here. You can see the Pojoba that we were around here were very few. It was sake of the noise. They distracted our boys, we protest, then things. It was sake of the noise, that's why they won.
You think Augusco won because of noise?
Yes, please. They were distracting our boys, we protest. They did about 5 protests here. 5 protests. They did about 5 protests.
I've never heard this before, so what are you going to do now?
You see, this is a home game. This is their home. If it was to be Eastern region, we would have won this competition. So it was the of the protest and the confusion that they were making. That's why they won this contest.
So you think they don't deserve it?
I said.